And the bird is fly. Ayan guys. Snow today. Ayan. Pero yung mga ibon kumakain guys. Nilagyan ng food ng aking asawa. Ayan. Today is snow. So, ayan guys. Oh. Tignan nyo yung ibon. What do you call that, the blackbird?
First off, it's not black if you look closely.
Yeah,
But which one?
that one, oh, in the...
The one on the ground?
Yeah, in the ground that
The
eating...
dark-eyed junco.
Ah, okay. Dark. Ayan, guys. They're happy in snow.